Here I am again, groovy guys and gals. It's Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 69 Charger. This comes from Roger in Reno, Nevada. You hear so much about people going to Reno to gamble, it's hard to believe that people actually live in Reno. So now I have proof people actually live in Reno, Nevada. Okay, this radio, Roger has requested the internal conversion to add FM. He's requested that the conversion be wired to the original connectors so he can just plug it right back into his car. The only drawback to that is you don't get that big increase in output power when we use the original connectors, at least with most radios. And then one more thing about this particular radio, the on-off switch was acting marginally. It would only work once in a while, so I disconnected that, and this unit now has an external on-off switch that you can put it on a pretty long cable so you can reach it pretty easily. And so I've got it set to AM at the moment so we can run it through all its paces. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
True for people, let's say now 55, but even younger. But
alrighty, let's check our balance control. Make sure we got both speakers all the way right,
cannot sustain itself.
all the way left.
People are living 20 years longer than they did when Social Security began. What is your proposal?
So we don't need these anymore. Okay, let's switch to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations there.
Because the Word of God has
retirement into physical goal. Find financing options for
want to wife me. Got another.
Work before 10 a.m. when the humidity
with all the appropriate degrees.
Asbestors remove.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Like I was really in a rocking
Been around for a minute, gonna listen to the rookie business and come on in, it's your old King Kong.
Okay, between songs, check for crosstalk. No crosstalk. Heads adjusted properly. We'll wait for the next song to start. Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And the last thing to test is the dial light. Turn this thing off and get the dial light going on here. This one's a little bit different. And we have dial light. Okay, so she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen how we can add FM to your AM radio. And if we install a new harness instead of using the original connectors, you'll get a huge increase in output power. So to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print the work order, then you won't need to call me to ask about my prices, options, and especially turn times. That's all inside. That's all contained in the work order, and it's designed to answer all your questions as you're filling it out. And of course, you're welcome to call me after you've gotten the answers to those questions, so that it's like a 5-minute call instead of a 15-minute call. Because I really need to stay on the bench, guys. That's where the work gets done. That's where my quality workmanship goes into. And too much time on the phone threatens that workmanship quality. So you're not going to want me to be answering the phone when I'm working on your radio. And so I really prefer not to answer too many calls from customers who have not yet been to my website and seen my prices and all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Roger, for your business from the next state over, and we'll see you all next time.